welcome to How to Music Tech. This is part 25 in this series. How to set the loop recording time. The loop recording time can be set for a specific time, or you can use the foot switch or touchscreen to stop recording manually. Use knob number 3 on the looper screen to set the loop recording time. This one here. If you have it on manual, which is currently on, it will be the foot switches that controls the loop. Or you can set the value between 1 to 64 quarter notes. If you set the value, the actual loop time will be determined by the current tempo. If you have set the recording time, once the loop reaches that point, it will stop recording and automatically start playback. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials on this unit and others to come. Plus, if you'd like to support the channel directly, why not consider becoming a member? Thanks again, goodbye, see you in the next one.